Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products on the market.
Today, we're diving into the perfect attire for your little ones this upcoming Independence Day.
We're talking about none other than the little boy's 4th of July t-shirt by Little Hand.
Let's get right into why this shirt stands out among the rest.
This American flag-themed tee is not just a piece of clothing, it's a statement. Made from 100% cotton, it's soft, breathable, and designed with comfort in mind, making it ideal for those long summer days celebrating America's birthday.
Now, what really sets this tee apart is its design.
It features a bold American flag print, giving it a vintage, patriotic flair. Whether it's Memorial Day, Flag Day, or the grand celebration on the 4th of July itself, this shirt is perfect for any patriotic occasion. It's not just about looks though. Parents will appreciate the high-quality cotton. That's gentle on sensitive skin and easy to care for with just a machine wash.
No fuss, no hassle, just pure comfort and style for your little one. Available in sizes suitable for toddlers and kids aged 2 to 8 years, and in classic colors of white, red, and blue. There's a perfect fit and style for every child. So, whether you're planning a family outing, a neighborhood parade, or just a backyard barbecue, the little boy's 4th of July t-shirt by Little Hand is the go-to choice for celebrating America's independence in style. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.